about the setup in here real quick.
It's a Bennett 400 small block Ford. Okay. It's got twin 88 bullseye turbos. It's a Mark Mickey Turbo 400. It's a 10.5 chassis, firewall back. It's a radial truck. We built it to run on radials. Sure. And so far so good. I think BP Racing in Long Island, Billy Pettis straightened the truck out. There was a bunch of inconsistencies with it. Got it straightened out. Joey Behensky and his wife on my crew. Awesome. So so we're gonna try and see tomorrow what we could do. We'd like to try and get a 690. I don't know at the weight. We put the 315s on it, but I don't know. We got to weight 3350 with the 315s. Oh, okay. So we're a little over. So
weight isn't going to be too big of a deal. No. Racing gets these cars that way.
No, we just turn the boost up a little bit. Is really. I mean that's.
Yep.
I mean that's the
plenty of turbo. That's for sure.
No doubt. Yeah, we got too much turbo, but we're gonna see. I mean Justin, you know, John Clevis, they jumped on board with us. So now we have somebody to tune it, and we're gonna see. We're gonna get after it tomorrow, and you guys are here. Looking forward to it. Been looking forward to meeting you for a long time. Oh yeah. And I finally got to. See.
Truck's looking good.
Yeah,
Can't
thanks very much.
Run.
I appreciate it.
Good luck.
Appreciate it, man. Same.
Pretty cool. Everything good?
Yeah, I think I pedaled just enough so it didn't slam down on the.
You've been up in the air a few times, I've seen.
Yeah, it came back up. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a bar adjustment.
Yeah, I'd say so. Track's looking good.
Yeah, I tell you what, Miller events are no joke. First time I've ever been. Hey, over 2 years, that truck's never pulled a wheelie.
Really?
Never pulled. Joey, that truck ever pull a wheelie?
Never. So
that's Chris Miller prep right there. I mean Jason and Chris. Well, it's good. We'll be back up. We'll be back up in about an hour. We're gonna go through everything and get it going. All right? Cool. Thanks. Thanks, Doc. 779, 181 for Gonzalez. For the Yetti. Faster and faster, every pass.
Woo! 716?
Yeah, brother.
Hell yeah. that's badass. Congrats. Still getting quicker too.
Yeah, man. We got. I don't know. Justin from KBX has. I don't know.
Oh,
he connected with the truck. For a guy that never dealt with this truck before, I don't care if he knows the motor, haul tech, I don't care what he knows. It's a 3,400-pound pickup that just went 712s with a small block Ford in a pickup truck.
It.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's not like it's all fiberglass Pro Mod.
No, it's not. Look, it's still got some material. Look, Kyle, stock front end truck. It's not a Pro Mod. No Pro Mod here. You know?
That's awesome.
Tried to keep it to look like a truck. We didn't want to empty it out and make it look, you know, like an empty thing. Man, I love this truck, man. I love my wife. I love this truck.
You're still going quicker. 712.
712.
You're almost in the sixes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, we might next round. We see what happens, man. I don't know what Justin. Man, when we came here, we went the fastest the truck ever went was a 737.
Yeah.
We just went a 712.
Oh my God.
Man, haul tech is just badass stuff, man. It really, really is. I got Bullseye Turbos, Billy Devine from Bullseye Turbos. That great guy. He's taking great care of us, man. There's so many people, man, and I'm sure I'm just kind of like right now, just not even able to think. But
you're doing your thing.
I'm just trying, man. And thank you for the love too, man. 1320 is the best. You know what I mean? You guys are awesome. You do a great job at these events. Man, I'm just a nobody. I'm a nobody with a pickup truck that came here and got together with KBX Performance, and man, this is magic. This is magic.
I love it.
I just can't believe it, man. And thank you for everything, man. You're a good man. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love. That's awesome.
See you next round.
No doubt, sir. I appreciate it. Thanks, Kyle.
Holy crap, did you see that truck running with the whole car? Good racing.
Over. Yeah, something, I don't know what happened. I'm waiting for Justin to come over and look at the data. But something happened around the 8th mile.
Yeah?
It just fell off. Yeah, but that's okay. That's okay.
Still
that was
consistent.
good. Yeah, it was a good weekend, man. I had a great time.
That was badass.
I can't, man, I can't even tell you. It's like, I float home. We got about a 7-hour ride home, and I probably won't even remember about 6.5 hours of it. So, so that's
just
cool.
dreaming.
Yeah, no doubt. But thank you very much, man. I appreciate what 1320 did.
Oh yeah.
You know, I don't know, man. It was just a lot of fun. It really was. The Miller Brothers just put on a great event.
Yes. What's next? What do you think? We're gonna change up.
I think we're just gonna freshen the motor and do a few things, a few internal things. Nothing. I'd like to try and get it down to 40s, 440s to run a little bit in LDR. Just to be competitive, you know. I mean, there's a bunch of guys in that class that are running down high teens, low 20s. Jason, Shane Stack, you know, there's a bunch of guys, but it's a good group of guys, man. It's just fun, man. I had fun here. I met a lot of good people. I get to talk to you. Never been interviewed before. I've been interviewed more in the last 2 days than I have in my 53 years on the planet. So it was a good old time. I had a lot of fun, man. But yeah, I don't know. I just think I'm just gonna look forward to the ride home. Definitely. And just remember this, man. This was like this really is. I just keep saying it's surreal. It's surreal that it even happened. So.
Hell yeah, we loved watching the Yetti all weekend, and your crew. It was a blast.
Thanks very much, Kyle. Appreciate it. Same with you guys, man. You guys are awesome. You got a great crew, man. You do a great job.
Hell yeah.
Thanks very much, Kyle.